What's up everybody, Ro back with another video. This one's going to be different. It's basically just letting you guys know Halloween season is coming. We get all up into the holidays as far as decorating and stuff. This is actually the first time we're going to go all out. Well, not all out because we've pretty much discussed it all through and there's a lot more to come throughout the years. But since it's a little, how would you say it, late notice, we're gonna get into it and we're gonna do as much as possible. We already started collecting some decorations and we do have a lot in the garage. We usually go all out for Christmas. That is our thing here. We do that as a family, but now we're gonna do the Halloween season. And in the front, I think I got like a scarecrow theme going, a zombie theme going, and a circus theme going. So that's gonna be pretty much the themes I'm gonna space out within the front yard. What I'm trying to get to is, you see this wood right here? I've been collecting wood for the Halloween season. I'm going to turn all this into props as well as other stuff I have in the garage that I have already cut and I've had from Christmas season that the wife makes for her business that I basically got from pallets. So we have a lot of wood left over, and I basically prepped them all. So hopefully I have some left over that are kind of shaggy looking, because she would make stained wood signs and then basically repurpose them, put, you know, decorations on them, you know, custom writing and all that good stuff. So that's what's to come on the channel. I'm still going to be doing lawn stuff, but like I said, this channel is all over the place. So season's coming, so I'm going to prep you guys that decorations are gonna be put up here, and then we're gonna see how well my front lawn does with all the decorations put on it, since it was newly seeded for 2020. This is the first year we're gonna go pretty much just like how we do with Christmas and go all out with the Halloween theme, and this is gonna be interesting, and you guys will follow me along and hopefully you guys enjoy it as much as we do. So this is gonna be a spooky one, because the props I'm gonna be making are all gonna be out of repurposed wood that I found laying around or unused, and it's gonna be turned into a prop, and it's gonna get spooky really soon. The plan here is I'm basically gonna make a couple of circus props that I seen that I'm gonna try to make a little bit better in a way that I want to make it better. And then I did see one thing that they sell, it's a cardboard sign, but I want to make it into wood because it's fake lights on it. It's all cardboard with the stake, and I'm like, you know what, that'll make a cool sign. And maybe, yeah, I don't want to get too much into the details, but stay tuned. I'll try to release a short video on each prop I make, and we're gonna start getting ready for the decorations this month. We do probably plan on starting the prepping of the front yard maybe around the 27th of this month, the week before the Halloween month, and then we just get to it and we just knock it out, and there's gonna be a lot going on. So one thing I do want to keep you guys in mind too is that front yard is newly seeded with Ardent 15 Bermuda, so I'm very curious to see how these decorations are going to hold up with the lawn and the decorations being on it, is basically what I was trying to say. So that's going to be interesting, and then especially that we're going to be approaching winter and it's going to be cooling down and stuff like that. That's also what I'm curious about with the lawn, the tolerance for the winter and stuff like that. So let me keep it short and let you guys know that you're going to be seeing a lot of Halloween decorations on here, custom props, stuff like that. What it's gonna be like, usually I don't post the Christmas stuff, but I should have been posting the Christmas stuff on the YouTube, but maybe I'll start doing that now. So everybody, that's just the intro to what's to come. Thank you for following me. Stay tuned, because it's gonna get scary.